My name's Dan Slentz, and in January, I became the director of Blue Streak Media at John Carroll University. And when I came into Blue Streak Media and the TV studios, I walked into an environment that was already in progress of being completed, but my disappointment was I didn't see any 4A equipment. And from my experience in the past at New World Symphony and at other TV stations, I knew we were missing something that would be critical to students moving forward outside of graduating because 4A was always cutting edge for 12G, 4K video, and all technology, including IP. So it was interesting. I received a phone call from 4A and I talked to my friend Satoshi and I told him the situation. And Satoshi said, well, let's make sure we have some 4A. So he greatly filled in a void that we had here. We now have a Hanabi switcher, a 4A switcher. We have FA 9600s, which, as Satoshi and I both say, are the Swiss Army knife of video, and now a multi-viewer as well. So 4A stepped up because Katsu-san and Mad and Satoshi all see education as such a valuable piece of a person's culture and their lifestyle. So they supported our program here at John Carroll with a very kind addition of equipment to this TV studio.